Flight, brought to you by a squadron of extraordinary drones, each offering a unique way to rule the skies. From the nimble to the grand, see the world in an incredible new way. Go head to head with the battle drones. Zip through the air with the micro drone. Capture high-resolution footage from the HD video drone. Or be the world's smallest cameraman and pilot the micro video drone. Perform crazy aerobatic tricks with the stunt drone. Ramp up the action with the flying car drone. See a live, bird's-eye view on your mobile device with the HD Wi-Fi drone. Or go on a long-range adventure with the Expedition drone. The sky's the limit with the Brookstone Flight Force. Find all the drones now at Brookstone.
Looking for superpowers? Introducing Aura, the ultimate drone with Gesture Robotics' mind-blowing technology. Simply put the glove on and feel the power of having Aura right in your hand. No more joysticks and multi-axis controls. With Aura, you can fly your drone following your hand's command. Make 360 flips and show your skills flying like a pro right out of the box. Take off and land it with a simple button click. Controlling a drone has never been so easy. Even for Dad. New Aura, you have the power. From KD Interactive.
What was it like when you flew Aura? When you had that controller in your hand and you were flying the drone?
It was a lot easier to do it. I remember my first time, I flew it up and I expected to have to be constantly changing the height, and it feels so different because the remote controls, unless you get really, really used to them, you have to be kind of looking up and down at the same time. Whereas here, you know what your hand's doing, so you know like what's happening.
It feels better than like a normal drone that I have because I know the controls because I play video games, but it's like I constantly have to look up and down and make sure I'm doing the right things. It won't go too high that I lose like the connection with the drone.
And that's one of the biggest difference between Aura and other drones is the fact that you don't need a joystick. You have the control in your hand itself.
It felt like you were a lot more in control than normal joystick drones because you can control the stability of the drone. If your hand's shaky, it'll move around, but it won't go all over the place. Whereas with the controller, even if your hand could be still, you could still hit the wrong switch and it'd go like slamming into the wall or something.
Right. Sydney.
It was really cool because you were just moving your hand a little bit and you could control the drone to go everywhere, and you didn't have to worry about how fast you were going or how high it went because you can kind of calibrate it, get it up, steady yourself, and just go everywhere, and it was really, really cool.
With Bloxels, you can build your own video games using the Bloxels board and app. Build your game, capture it, design the characters, play it.
Cool!
Create what you can imagine.
Oh, put coins right there. Flying Pig is hungry for coins. RoboDog is going to Rainbow City. Say hello to Ugly Sweater Kitty.
With a parent, you can share your creations with the Bloxels community.
Check out all my zombie lights.
Whoa!
Your blocks, your creations, your video games. Bloxels. App and smart device required. iPad not included. Now you can make your own Star Wars video game. Play as your favorite heroes and villains. Build the world on the game board, capture it, and play in the app. Take on classic Star Wars missions like never before with some of your favorite characters. With your parents' permission, share your creations with other players. Now you can build your very own Star Wars universe with Bloxels Star Wars. Smart device and free app required.
Start training now to try and become a world-class drone pilot like Benny UK. And check out the AirHogs DR1 Micro Race Drone with its cutting-edge tech. Easy to fly and ready to race to help you go from rookie to pro. Are you ready to join the race? AirHogs DR1 Micro Race Drone.
AirHogs Thunder Tracks, the unstoppable all-terrain vehicle. Thunder Tracks can conquer snow, mud, dirt, and rock. It lets you take on any terrain. You can drive the AirHogs Thunder Tracks everywhere. It even transforms from tank to boat. The unstoppable all-terrain Thunder Tracks. AirHogs Thunder Tracks from Spin Master.
practice. To improve your chances of winning. If you don't successfully transform your Mechanimal, you won't get any points. Practice shooting the mini car straight to the mech card. The secret is not to launch the car too strongly, but also not too lightly. Get more accessories. The launcher can help get you to the finals. The standard launcher can be used in the following ways. In the first and second round, it can be moved all the way up to the front of the pop-up zone. In the capture round, you can move it all the way to the back of the capture zone. Remember, luck isn't everything. You match your Mechanimal's mark with the points on your mech card to determine your score. If you're playing with an Evan mini car with a Blue Land mark, you could increase your chances of getting higher points by choosing 3 cars with higher Blue Land attack points. There are lots of mech cards and mini cars to collect. The tamer who collects more mini cars and mech cards will be able to strategize better, create winning combinations, and unleash their power. And now, it's your turn.
You're clear for takeoff. Roger, we're going on.
Step up, strap down, and take off! With Jets by Razor. Jets let you step and roll wherever you go. Step, roll with your friends as you take off with Jets. Easily adjustable, always awesome, you can fire up your afterburner and get your spark on. Jets are the hottest way to roll. Step, roll, and spark with your friends as you take off with Jets by Razor. Optional spark pads included. Adult supervision recommended.
Sphero Mini just got a lot more fun. You can now play without a smart device, thanks to our new game, Mini Escape. In this game, Sphero Mini is trying to escape from you. To get started, plug Mini into a power source to wake it up. Then remove it from the charger to activate the appless game mode. Put your robot on the table and spin it, watching the LED colors change. At any time, give Mini a shake to start Mini Escape. Place your robot on the table or floor and keep it from running away by blocking it with your hand or foot. Mini will get faster the longer you play. If you can successfully keep Mini from escaping, your robot will stop running, turn green, and you've won the game. If Mini is able to run 1 meter in a straight line or drops from the table, you lose. Mini wins and turns red. Give Mini a shake to play again, or connect to the app to drive, play games, and have more fun.
Say hello to the Cartoon Pets. Cartoon Pets are super fun, super soft, goofy characters that make you smile. There's Rowdy Rabbit, Crazy Kitty, Porky Panda, Unusual Unicorn, Pouty Pig, Bizarre Bear, and more. Kids love to snuggle with their cartoon pets because they're large, super soft, and have really long fur. But there's another thing that makes cartoon pets special. Inside every cartoon pet is a hidden surprise. Inside Porky Panda is a super soft blanket that's perfect for sleepovers. Crazy Kitty has a light in its tail, so your kids can read at night or in the car. Bizarre Bear has 5 secret pockets, so your kids can hide all of their favorite stuff. Unusual Unicorn has an alarm clock, so your kids or grandkids can wake up for school every morning by themselves. Rowdy Rabbit has a hidden radio, so they can listen to all their favorite music. And Pouty Pig has a secret piggy bank inside. It's the perfect opportunity for your kids to start learning to save money. Cartoon pets are far more than just ordinary stuffed animals. Cartoon pets are pets with a purpose.